Well done, this is the correct answer. Negative 3 to the power of 4 is positive 81. Negative 1 to the power of 5 is negative 1. Negative 2 to the power of 6 is positive 64. And negative 2 to the power of 7 is negative 128. There are a few slightly different ways you could have found the answer, but did you notice anything interesting about the exponent and whether the product was positive or negative? Let's take a closer look at the expanded form of these index numbers. Because two negatives make a positive, some of you might have realized that every time you have a pair of negatives, you'll have a positive product. So in the first example, if we multiply the first two negative 3's together, we'll get positive 9, and we can do the same thing with the last two negative 3's. Positive 9 times positive 9 is positive 81. But in the second example, we have 5 negative 1's multiplied together. These two negative 1's will make a positive 1, and these two will also multiply to be positive 1. But then we have positive 1 times negative 1. The two positives make a positive, but then when you multiply the last negative, you get negative 1. Are you starting to see a pattern? Basically, if the base is negative but the exponent is an even number, that means the answer will always be positive, because two negatives make a positive. But if the exponent is an odd number, that's when we'll get a negative product. So without even using a calculator or finding the solution, you should be able to figure out which one of these will be negative.